Hey guys, today we're making the best churros recipe ever. These are so amazing to eat and are quite simple to make and don't take up so much of time. They go perfect with the chocolate sauce and you definitely won't regret making it. It's actually perfect for the cold weather. It's crisp on the outside and soft in the middle. That's a perfect churro. Okay, so we're going to start off in a pan. You want to add your water with the sugar and the butter. And you're going to take this over to your stove and heat it up on medium heat. Stir it and then let it boil. Once it comes to a boil, you can add in your flour. Make sure you add it in all at once. And then give it a mix with your spatula. This will form a dough and come away from the edges. Make sure you get a smooth dough with this. Once you're done, take it off the heat and then stir it to let it cool. This will take around 5 minutes. Now we did let it cool because we are going to be adding the eggs and we don't want them to be cooked. Then you can add in your eggs one at a time with the vanilla. And you're going to beat this with your electric mixer until it's combined. Now you can use just a spoon for this, but it will take a bit of time. Then you want to add in your second egg. You want to add in your second egg and give this another mix. Now if you prefer, you can switch to using your spatula or spoon for this. But just note that it does take a while to come together. But don't worry, it will come together and form a smooth dough. Once that's done, you can take your piping tip. Now I've used a closed star tip for this. With your piping bag. Now make sure you use a large piping bag for this, as we don't want any of the dough to spill out. You're going to put your piping tip into your piping bag and snip off the top. Then you can take a fairly large container and put your piping bag into this. This will just make it easier to put the dough into your piping bag and will go in mess free. You can take your dough and scoop it into your piping bag until it is all used up. Once that's done, you can make your chocolate ganache, which is the chocolate dipping sauce. Now I do have a recipe of the chocolate ganache in my chocolate cake video and I will link it up for you in the iCards, or the recipe will be down in the description box below. Just pour it in the serving container you want to serve it in. Back to the piping bag. You're going to start piping the dough into your hot oil. Make sure you break off the edges, or you can use a scissor for this. And the heat is medium to low. Make sure the heat is not too high or else they will burn. Keep piping them until all your dough is used up. Now give them a flip now and then with a fork to ensure an even golden brown color. And once they're done, you can take them out and roll it in some cinnamon and sugar. For this, you just mix some caster sugar with some cinnamon. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make and so delicious. These are so amazing to eat and go perfect with a chocolate ganache dipping sauce. You definitely won't regret making this. They are so delicious and are actually perfect for the cold weather. They're crisp on the edges and soft in the inside, and just so delicious. I'm sure you'll be making them a few times a week once you try out this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.